Let's get you another incident that's come to light from Maharashtra, and this again is MNS workers there, assaulting a man, and this is for not speaking the language Marathi and saying that, they will not speak the language, and that is the problem, and that is what really led to that assault. Video which has gone completely viral showing a man confronting a worker at a public toilet. This happened at a bus stop, alleging that the women were being charged 5 rupees to use the facilities. As he begins shooting the video, the man asks the worker what is his name, and is really the worker refuses to give out that information, and asking whether the man thinks of himself as some sort of a big shot. And the man tells the worker that he will complain and is asked to do so in Hindi or to leave. That is really another language imposition of sorts as far as the state of Maharashtra is concerned, and the MNS workers at it all over again. Paras joining us. Paras, get us all the details of what's really happened here.
Divya, this is not the first time this type of incidents has came into light in Maharashtra and Mumbai. This is the third to fourth incident in few days where we had seen the MNS worker expecting from non-Marathi people to speak in Marathi, and this incident has came in light from Nanded. Over there is a bus stop, the central bus stop, and there was a washroom where this person, the caretaker of the toilet was sitting over there, and over there has been some rusk between the MNS workers and this caretaker. Over there was some issue with charging 5 rupees for the using of the facility, and after that the whole incident started. Over there we can see in the video that MNS worker is asking the caretaker to speak in Marathi. This whole incident have gone viral from last few hours in the country, and we have to see what will happen next, because there is no official justification from anyone in this entire case, but we can expect any official justification will be given in some moment in this entire case.